You are literally throwing away $8,000 a year because your tax planning is lazy. If you are a Canadian business owner taking a massive six-figure salary while your spouse works in the business for free, you aren't a hard worker. You are a victim of your own poor strategy. You are bleeding cash because you don't understand the income splitting strategy. Most owners are too scared or too unorganized to move beyond a basic T4, and the CRA loves that. Here is the reality you need to face. Canada has a progressive tax system, which means higher portions of one person's income get taxed at higher rates. When you shove all that income into one person, you are voluntarily pushing more of that income into higher tax brackets, where the government takes a bigger bite out of every tax dollar. Check the math. If one spouse takes a $100,000 salary, the family can end up with as much higher tax bill than necessary. But if your spouse is actually helping you run a business and you pay them a reasonable $50,000 salary while taking $50,000 for yourself, your total family tax bill can drop materially. That is real money back in your pocket by fixing the structure properly. Same family income, but a much smaller hit to your bank account. Now, your basic tax filer may tell you this is too risky or whatever. That is because most accountants are just looking in the rearview mirror. They are great at recording what already happened, but useless when it comes to stopping the bleed before it starts. They prioritize basic filing over actual strategy because that is exactly and easier for them and more expensive for you. But let's be clear, this only works when your spouse is doing real work. The pay is reasonable for that work, and payroll is handled properly. Real duties, real records, real T4. I am the tax mechanic. I don't just file your taxes, I fix the engine so you keep more of what you earn. If your current tax setup is costing you a luxury vacation every single year, it is time for a tune-up. Click the link in my bio to book a strategy session, and let's stop the bleed.